So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you how to align text on the Notes app. So if I were to go ahead and just type in align text right here, it's going to automatically align it from the left to the right. But if you wanted to make this like from the right to the left or in the middle or justify or whatever, highlight the text that you want to align, which I will do. Then I want you guys to go to the top left and press on Format, and then scroll down to where it says text, and then right here you can choose align left, center, justify, or align right. So if you wanted to align center, you can align the text from the center so that when the text is, once again, it's going to start on the left. You go to format, you can justify it or align it to the right. Do what you got to do. If I were to go here, hello, it's going to go from the left, and justify. All the justify basically does is not center, my apologies, justify right here. It makes it so that if you keep going, it'll just continue that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to align text on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.